the job. I like it. Go tapa mae go fa dikgogo tsa ka dijo ke rata tiro ya me yotlhe. Ke batla a project ya rona e ka gola ha re ka ra hira batho ba bangwe ba e leng gore ba na le botlhoka tiro then ra ba beela borotho mo tafole le bona ba ja something.
The egg farm is perhaps one of our biggest successes. I remember clearly when I arrived there were 900 chickens in this house, and we brought in a commercial farmer to mentor the process. We placed a full-time site manager on site, and we increased the number of laying birds to 2,500, and we saw immediate results once best practices were put in place. Today, the egg farm produces on average 2,400 eggs every 25 hours.
So se ke se ratang thata go bereka ka kgogo, re bereka ka kgogo le le.
Holistic solution to me means eradication of hunger, food security. People that are actually living in really disadvantaged communities, they are able to grow their food and be able to provide food for their household, food security. They are able to sell eventually.
Ha ke tsena ka gate ke ikutlwa re ke tsena mo mmerekong. Gore ke ipoleletse gore ke tlo bereka.
These eggs are graded through a grading facility that we've set up, packaged and sold to the local community. There's an ongoing process of skills development that's happening, and it's great to see how people are starting to grasp the concepts of business and are getting a better understanding in terms of how they manage their finances. The mine has come on board, and Anglo American is looking at having their catering companies procure directly from this farm.
Ra gola go le go nyane mare ra bona gore way forward re ya go ka.
The egg farm now has a plan for expansion where we'll increase the number of birds to 5,000 birds, which will double the production and increase the viability of the farm itself. The farmers themselves want to build a third chicken house with their own funds. So there's already a culture of business that's being inculcated, and people are starting to take ownership of it.
Ke bona gore go fitlha kgakala ka yone project.